Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best gear for your home and office. Today, we're looking at something that might seem small but makes a huge difference in your setup: the MAWADA Projector ceiling mount. Whether you're setting up a home theater or transforming your office into a presentation powerhouse, this mount promises stability, versatility, and clean aesthetics. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get started: mounting hardware, a solid metal tray, and clear, easy-to-follow instructions. One of the standout features right away is how quick the setup is. No special tools, no complex alignment, just a straightforward installation process that even beginners can handle. The telescopic arm slides smoothly and locks into place without fuss. Within minutes, you're ready to mount your projector. Now let's talk build quality. The MAWADA ceiling mount is constructed with high-grade steel. That gives you immediate confidence. This isn't some flimsy piece of metal. It feels durable, holds its shape well, and can support up to 11 pounds. That's more than enough for most home projectors, and even compact AV gear like cameras or small laptops. The tray itself measures 13.8 by 8.7 inches, a good fit for most standard projectors, and it's fully vented. That's important. If you've ever had your projector overheat mid-movie or mid-presentation, you know how frustrating it is. The ventilation design keeps air circulating underneath, which helps protect your projector and extends its lifespan. Another area where the MAWADA mount really shines is adjustability. The height is fully telescopic, ranging from 13.7 inches to 22.8 inches. That means you can install it in rooms with low ceilings or high ceilings and still get the perfect angle. Speaking of angles, the mount also offers 360-degree rotation. So you can fine-tune your projection alignment with complete freedom, no awkward tilting or repositioning the whole unit. And what about the final look? Once it's installed, the mount doesn't just do its job, it looks clean. MAWADA has integrated cable management channels along the arm, so you can run your power and AV cables discreetly. No dangling cords, no mess. It's a small touch, but it goes a long way in making the setup feel premium and professional. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, gaming on the big screen, or running presentations in a boardroom, the MAWADA ceiling mount provides a stable, adjustable, and discreet mounting solution. It's universal too, compatible with most projectors, even ones without dedicated mounting holes. And at this price point, it delivers outstanding value. So that's the MAWADA Projector ceiling mount. Simple, strong, and smart. If you're looking to elevate your projection game, literally, this is a fantastic choice. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on reviews and real-world breakdowns just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.